Welcome, my name is ULEFONE Armor X5 and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, hold the power key and select shutdown, tap on it once more, and let's wait for the device to shut off. Now once it has, you want to then hold the power key and volume up, so power, volume up, both of them at the same time. And from here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and press volume down to confirm it. And as you can see, we're now in recovery mode. Now in here you can use both of the volume keys. Volume down goes down and up goes up, and whatever you select you will then confirm it with power key. And as you can see, you can reboot the device from here, reboot the bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache partitions, mount systems, view recovery logs, and run tests, along with powering off the device. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to select Reboot System now, confirm it with power key. The process will basically begin booting me back to the Android system. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.